TMV is related to? Option A, virus. Option B, evolution. Option C, algae. Option D, reproduction. The answer is option A, virus. The disease hydrophobia is caused due to? Option A, bacteria. Option B, fungi. Option C, virus. Option D, algae. The answer is option C, virus. Which one of the following contain no enzyme? Option A, bacteria. Option B, virus. Option C, lichen. Option D, algae. The answer is option B, virus. The virus which attack the blue-green algae are called? Option A, tobacco mosaic virus. Option B, cyanophages. Option C, bacteriophage. Option D, mycophages. The answer is option B, cyanophages. HIV often changes its shape due to the presence of an enzyme is called? Option A, reverse transcriptase. Option B, enterokinase. Option C, nucleotidase. Option D, nucleotidase. The answer is option A, reverse transcriptase. Virus which contains RNA is genetic material. Option A, reovirus. Option B, retrovirus. Option C, rebovirus. Option D, all. The answer is option D, all. The water of Holy Ganges River is pure due to presence of? Option A, cyanophages. Option B, hydrophytes. Option C, bacteria. Option D, bacteriophages. The answer is option D, bacteriophages. The fact that support the concept that viruses are living is that they? Option A, multiply themselves. Option B, made up of common chemical. Option C, cause disease. Option D, can pass through cell membrane. The answer is option A, multiply themselves. The Bacillus haemophilus influenza causes? Option A, whooping cough. Option B, a form of meningitis in young children. Option C, pneumonia. Option D, influenza. The answer is option D, influenza. Viruses are parasitic, having DNA or RNA, but they can be crystallized and lack respiration. Thus they are treated as? Option A, living materials. Option B, non-living materials. Option C, both living and non-living materials. Option D, cellulose. The answer is option C, both living and non-living materials. Non-living character of virus. Option A, it can be crystallized for many years. Option B, it grows in living cells. Option C, it shows mutation. Option D, none of these. The answer is option A, it can be crystallized for many years. The disease AIDS is caused by? Option A, bacteria. Option B, fungi. Option C, virus. Option D, protozoan. The answer is option C, virus. HIV is related to? Option A, cancer. Option B, plague. Option C, hepatitis. Option D, AIDS. The answer is option D, AIDS. The causal organism of polio is? Option A worm. Option B, A bacteria. Option C, A fungi. Option D, A virus. The answer is option D, virus. Which of the following symbiotic association forms a lichen? Option A, an algae and a fungus. Option B, an algae and a bryophyte. Option C, a bacterium and a fungus. Option D, a bacterium and a gymnosperm. The answer is option A, an algae and a fungus. HIV virus destroy? Option A, RBC. Option B, T4 lymphocytes. Option C, neuron. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, T4 lymphocytes. Disease caused by HIV. Option A, tuberculosis. Option B, cancer. Option C, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS virus contains? Option A, single-strand RNA. Option B, double-stranded RNA. Option C, single-stranded DNA. Option D, double-stranded DNA. The answer is option A, single-stranded RNA. The disease AIDS spread? Option A, by insects. Option B, by breathing. Option C, by sexual contact. Option D, none of these. The answer is option C, by sexual contact. Viruses are made of? Option A, Protein and lipids. Option B. Nucleic acid and protein. Option C. Lipids and carbohydrates. Option D. Carbohydrates and nucleic acid. The answer is option B. Nucleic